Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a smoky eye tutorial, and the first things first, I'm literally going to go in with the Louise base in the shade Rumour 4 and apply 2 small dots onto the eyelid and blend this out using a small duo fibre brush. Okay, so next up we're going to go in with the Morphe M576 brush, and I'm literally going to use this brown shade from Makeup Geek, which is the shade called Cocoa Bear. Absolutely love this for a transition shade. So I'm just going to go in and apply this where I want it to go and then blend this out. Right, so now I've just gone off camera, as you can see, and completed the other eye. It was a lot more easier for myself just to get that out of the way. Now we're going to go in with the Louise black base, and I'm literally just going to put some of this product onto the back of my hand. Now if you don't want to get your hands dirty, definitely purchase a makeup plate. They're absolutely amazing for just applying product on, and you can just get a wet wipe and just wipe it off when you're finished. So yeah, I'm just going to use a flat brush. This is from Louise, and I'm literally just going to situate this product onto the eyelid and nowhere else. Okay, so the base is on our lids, and now we need to go ahead and set it. Now I'm going to go in with a shade called Corrupt, which is another single eyeshadow shade from Makeup Geek, and using a flat shading brush, I'm just going to situate this product on top of that Louise base. Next up, I'm going to go in with a tapered brush and diffuse the ends of that shade called Corrupt using a light hand. This is definitely a process, you guys, so please do not rush it. Okay, so the eyes are done and I went off camera and did my base makeup. Now we're going to move in and apply some blush. Now I'm going to be using the matte blush, which is called Raisin, and I'm literally just going to smile and apply this product onto the apples of my cheeks. So now we're going to move in using the Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Lashes. I absolutely love this mascara, you guys, and I'm just going to apply a few coats of this on my top lashes as well as my bottom. Now to darken up the eyes even more, I'm going to go in with a eye kohl pencil from MAC in the shade Feline and apply this all over the waterline. Okay, so we're now down to the last step of this makeup look, and I'm going to go in with a NYX lip pencil, which is in the shade Brown, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Now after I have done this step, I'm then going to go in with a MAC lipstick, which I believe is in the shade Yash. I will definitely confirm in the description box below. Now this is definitely an added step, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm going to go in with the Peaches and Cream lip gloss just to add some sheen to the lips. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really do hope that you all enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.